Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to use Leonardo AI. If you also want to create AI images like this, you should use Leonardo AI. To use it, first, visit this link to access the dashboard. Then, follow these steps. Click on Create Account. After clicking on it, a form will open. Enter your name in the form. After entering your name, provide your Gmail address. After adding your Gmail, click on Count Me In. Then, click on Yes, I am whitelisted, and verify your Gmail. Once verified, you'll see various avatars and photos created by the community. If you want to create similar images, stay tuned to this video. You'll receive daily 250 meters tokens here, which might be enough for you without the need to purchase a premium plan. Let's explore more features on this website. If you click on the Community button, you'll find many images generated by the community. Below that, you'll see a section for personal images that you can generate. If you scroll down, you'll find options for training and datasets, mainly for gaming professionals. However, our aim is to generate simple images. After that, if you go to the Models section, you'll find numerous models you can use for image generation. Next, there's the AI Images Generation section. We will discuss it later. Open the Canvas option within it. Here, you can edit the images you've generated. Go back to Home section. Now, let's move on to the AI Image Generator. Click on the button, and you'll see a prompt asking what kind of image you want. Specify your desired image here. Then, choose the model you want for the image. Once you've made your selections after that, select the type of image you want. Once you've made your selections, you'll be prompted for negative input. This means you can specify what you don't want in the image. If you come here and see, you can select the number of images from here. I think 3 images will be enough, so I have selected 3. Let's scroll a bit here. After scrolling, and you can see that the tool is asking for the character's dimensions within the photo. We'll select this, and if you come down a bit, you can also manually adjust it if you want after adjusting it manually. I think I messed it up a bit, so let's click this button again to reset it and get it right. After all this, scroll down to the end. After that, you can see here, you can reset all these settings if you want them to be the same as before. Let's move on without changing them. Go up and find the Generate button. After finding, click on it. It will take a little while to generate. You all can see in these 3 images that there's a little difference in each one. The dress has changed in all 3, and it has captured every angle. Just as we mentioned, a cute girl, it generated her exactly like that. And if you want to download these images, there's a simple way. You just need to hover your cursor over any image like this, and you will see this option. Click on it. After clicking, look at the upper right corner, and your image has been downloaded. If you want to download the other images as well, follow the same procedure. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.